Ukraine was hit massively, as Russia struck with 252 drones and missiles. It's day 1108 of Russia's operation in Ukraine. Let's dive deeper. Starting from the Kursk region. As you know, Russian forces started counterattacking intensely, when it was apparent that Ukraine wanted to use this region as a leverage in the negotiation. And even after that bad meeting in Washington, Russian forces have not stopped. They are counterattacking from several directions. In addition, we recently got some confirmation on Sumy region. If we start from the eastern flank, where Russia recaptured previously lost areas in Ukraine's second attempt. However, this time Russian forces have made a new advance south. Apparently, Russian forces activated this front, as they launched an attack towards the Ukrainian border. Today it was confirmed they were able to take this area under their control. However, there is a rumor that they have reached the end of the forest, which is around 6 kilometers deep. But this has not been confirmed yet. Now at the western flank, previously we saw Russia launch a counterattack from 3 major directions and capture huge areas. In last 48 hours, they were able to clear the pockets south of Leonidovo, as Ukrainian forces withdraw east. In addition, Russian forces have been spotted in Nikolaevka. We should get confirmation of its capture in 24 hours. Now at the Sumy border, a few reports ago I reported how Russian forces launched an attack on the Sumy region from 2 areas. However, at that time, as there was a lot of fog of war, I told you to wait for confirmation. And recently lots of things have become clear. Russian forces advancing from Nikolodorino were able to capture Zuravka and a few surrounding fields. In addition, we also got confirmation of Russia capturing this area near Basivka. It seems like they were not able to maintain a foothold in the village. However, at Novenka, they were able to take it under their control. It seems like they are increasing pressure on key Ukrainian logistically important points to weaken their defenses. In addition, as you know, Russian forces have taken Ukraine's supply roads under their fire control. Recently, many more footage have been shared by sources of Russians attacking Ukrainian vehicles on the road. Speaking of negotiations, apparently Ukraine and America are meeting in Saudi Arabia for ceasefire and peace. However, many people believe that this was possible because Trump put insane pressure on Ukraine by stopping their aid and also stopping intelligence. However, Russia seems to be taking advantage of Ukraine's situation. Last night, the Russians launched one of the biggest long-range strikes on Ukraine. According to Ukrainian sources, Russia launched a total of 252 drones and missiles. It is said Russia was targeting strategically important facilities, like gas and energy infrastructure. However, Ukraine claims to have shot down 220 out of 252, with help of Western fighter jets and their air defenses. But we still got footage of a few strikes. Subscribe for more frontline updates. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below.